dashed line moving animation Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight motion on your device. Once the application is ready, press Create New Project at the top of the screen. After that, set up your new project according to your preference. When the setup is complete, choose Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located below the timeline. From the available options, select Vector Drawing to create your line. Draw the line based on your preference and make it the shape you want for the animation. Next, open Color and Fill within the line settings and turn off the color. After that, go to Border and Shadow and turn on the stroke option so the line remains visible. Press the plus button again and select the circle shape to add it to your timeline. Once the shape has been added, adjust its scale until the circle becomes an oval shape. With the oval selected, open the effect browser inside the shape layer. Search for Repeat Along Path and add the effect to the circle shape. After adding the effect, open its settings and turn on the tangent option if you want the repeated shapes to follow the path direction. Next, locate the end value, enable its keyframe, and decrease the value to 0. Move forward a few frames on the timeline and add another keyframe. Increase the value of the second keyframe so the animation can progress along the path. After setting the keyframes, open the graph editor. Adjust the graph until the movement appears smooth and consistent. If you want to change the color of the line, go to Color and Fill and choose any color that you like. Follow every step carefully and make sure the line, shape, and effect remain on the timeline while creating the animation. Once all of the steps have been completed and the animation looks the way you want, you have successfully created a dashed line moving animation in Alight motion.